Okay. Go.
Ahead. Test it out. Let's go play frisbee. You serious? Go ahead, try it out. Go down. Come on.
Oh my God. Did you lose it?
Where is it, Ginger?
Better go. You better go save her.
Let me see. Hey, let me see. Go back up there. If I disappear, you better come out and save me.
Okay.
Drop. Drop. All right. Let's take care of some of the snow. Shoveling our 2 inches of snow. Jim?
Huh?
Are you a snow champion?
Yes, I am.
Why?
That's what I'm trying to be. Shovel our way out of this.
Ginger, where are you?
See my car.
There you are. Here's our walkway. We shoveled it probably about an hour ago, and Jim just shoveled it again. It was already covered. Ginger, what's in there? Look, what's in there? What's in there? What is it? What is in there? Get it! Get it! Get it, Ginger. Look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the monster's in there. The monster's in there. Where's that monster? Where'd it go? Where's the snow monster? Get that snow monster. Get it. Get that snow monster. I think it's in there. Look. It's in here. It's right in here. Go get it. Go get it in there. You're stuck. Come on. Ginger. Ginger, come. Come out there. With your goofy looking face. You stay in.
Did you get a shot of my car?
Oh yeah, that's your car? Well,
Yeah.
you can't even see it on this camera.
You see a little bit of the
I had to
mirror.
back away. Back off, shovel off a piece of your car so we can see a tiny bit of it. Oh, there's the mirror. That's all we get. Right there. There's my car.
Uh-oh, look at this.
Ginger!
Come on.
Ginger! Come on! Come get us! Save us! Help! Help! Help, Ginger, help! Catch a snowball!
Oh my God.
Catch a snowball! Ginger, Ginger, don't die!
Better go help her.
Ginger! How are you gonna turn around? Get out of there!
You gotta go get her.
You won't make it out alive.
It's just too quiet.
Aw, Ginger, look at your face. Your poor snow-covered face. I'm in my chair.
We have Stephanie the Snow Queen in her throne.
I'm Snow Queen.
That she made out of the snow.
There.
Just taking a little break. Just gotta.
Tiring ruling this house.
Yeah.
All these wild animals running around all the time. Have to keep them under control. There we go. Let them eat snow.
Throw the frisbee for her.
Come here, Ginger. Let me see. I want to get off my throne. Hand it to me, please.
You don't want to get off your throne. Drop.
Wow. Ready?
Here you go.
Alright, let me get in the good snow. Come here. Ginger, come. Come on. Alright, let me see. That's a good jump.
Yep.
Where is it? Duke, who is that? Who is it, Duke? You hear something? Snow monster coming?
She's trying. Oh, she gave up on it. Oh, there she goes. There she comes. She got it.
Oh, Duke's excited. He's gonna kill her.
Duke, get off her.
Duke! Stop eating her face.
Duke.
She's not a big giant snowball.
Come on. Let her up. I know, buddy. Nobody understands you. I don't understand you. Here you go. Do one more throw. Then I want to get this out of the snow.
Duke got that one.
Duke got that
But
one.
he didn't come back with it. You're
No.
supposed to come back with it, Duke. What fetch is? There it is. Where's your toy? Duke, let her get it. Oh no.
Oh
He's
no.
molesting her again. He's raping my dog.
Duke. Duke.
Duke, she doesn't like that.